Merry Cliffmas, gentle ladies and rough men. Hopefully, you are enjoying the holidays as I am spending time with my family of charts. Uh, this just came hot off the presses in the Real Vision group, so I thought I'd share it because, why not just release it fresh while it's here? So, this chart is the forward looking chart, which layers liquidity on top of Bitcoin. I would do this on TradingView, but you need some scripts and stuff, and I am not even a good script kiddie. If you know what that means, you know what that means. Otherwise, no, this isn't some kind of sexual innuendo. But what this is saying is Merry Cliffmas, then a crappy New Year, and a sappy January right here, and a Hopi February, but then a terrible beginning of March. And if this is right, then Bitcoin goes back below 60K, around 60K. Now, there's going to be candles and things along the way. If this is right, this plays out. This is how right it's been. I would even have moved this chart over a couple of days and made these peaks match, but it doesn't follow perfectly, but it follows nearly perfectly. That's why we actually call this top. I mean, I'm not going to say I called this top. I said December 9th. It happened on whatever day it happened on, but regardless. Look at the problem. It's so not good. So this is like 60K range, all right? Don't freak out. Don't panic. Just enjoy the holidays. Don't look at your portfolio. Don't do any of that stuff. Now, I know. You're probably saying, but Sim, I'm waiting on the XRP pump. I'm going to buy things with my XRP profits, also known as XR profits. So how do I do that? Well, first of all, the XRP chart is looking a little destabilized. I had to redraw it because I had it drawn from here and it didn't fit. So you know how the chartists do it. What you do is you just adjust the line and you move the line a little bit and be like, oh, just one sec. I'm just gonna take that and draw it like that. Yeah, now it works. Now it fits my thesis. I can just draw lines in all different directions to make myself feel good so that I can enjoy time with the family. Otherwise, I would be crying. But if you're sitting on XRP profits, and if you're sitting in XRP and thinking, damn, I was waiting for that pump, and that pump doesn't seem like it's happening, maybe it doesn't happen. This is the Bitcoin dominance chart. Dominance is falling. That's bueno. XRP isn't exploding. Altcoins are not running. And the others chart is not exploding, right? Which means the market cap of the others coins is not exploding. So if that process doesn't play out, which I was saying when XRP has the next leg and pops, I would take some profits. First of all, don't whine. If you're like, you were wrong. Yeah, it's called probability, my love. Okay? Probability is a probability game. Sometimes it happens, sometimes it doesn't. Okay? And if you're looking for surefire things, then you just have not lived enough life. There's one surefire thing, you're gonna die. That trade, I can 100% bet on. You're gonna die. Everybody's gonna die. Everybody you love is gonna die. Everything that lives is gonna die. I hope that brightens up your Christmas, and I hope that you can share that around the turkey or whatever you're eating on Christmas. Now, XRP. XRP, see, there's a bit of a trick that you can use, okay? If XRP just hangs out around this range while everything falls off of a cliff, then what's happened is XRP is here and everything else is cheap compared to XRP. So here's one trick that I'm going to use, because now, there's some people that have 70% of their portfolios in XRP, especially after this pump, and that's a lot of money. And there's going to be a lot of other coins that are going to make way more money than XRP. Okay? Yeah, this was a safe place to put money, but at this point, we're not just keeping money in safe stuff. At this point, we are diving into the deep end of the curve, face first, smashing our face into the bottom of the pool, no problem. That's where the blood comes from, in the streets. Okay? Don't think about it too much. Here's what you do. Here's le trick. Okay? So if you're like, let's say, let's see, out of the watch list. I don't know. Goat. If I want to buy goat, or let's do one of the bigger coins. Nier, Sui. I don't know, Nier. Okay, maybe I want to. Maybe I'm thinking of buying Nier. Which one was I looking at earlier? God, I am just all over the place today. Merry Cliffmas. Okay. Let's say I want to buy Nier, and I've been waiting to buy Nier, and I'm sitting in my XRP, and I'm like, Sim, I don't know if it plays out. What you do is you type in Nier divided by XRP. And this is complex arithmetic we're doing here now. So what this is telling you is, what is the price of no, this is not Nier USD slash XRP USD. Okay, let's try that. Oh, okay. Let's try it one more time. Third time's a farm. Nier USD slash XRP. Okay. Let's hope that works. Oy vey. Yeah, this is why this stuff is not easy. This is basically giving you Nier priced in XRP, right? So this is telling you, is Nier cheap to buy in XRP, or is it expensive to buy in XRP? What this is telling you is Nier has been getting cheaper and cheaper priced in XRP. So if I'm sitting in XRP and I want to buy Nier, what I want is I want to be able to buy more Nier protocol with my XRP. As the chart gets cheaper and cheaper, that means I can buy more Nier with my XRP. And at this point, it's basically at bear market levels. You're getting a better discount going from XRP to Nier than you are from dollars to Nier. Okay? So just because you're sitting in an asset doesn't mean you don't have the opportunity to buy another asset. What I'm going to do is I'm going to do nothing for a while. As you know, Merry Cliffmas. We let the cliffs play out. Boom, 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 fall, 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 stabilize, fall, stabilize, fall, stabilize. Make you think everything's going, give you FOMO, fall, 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 give you FOMO, fall, fall. Somewhere along this way, this chart will bottom out. It usually does a double bottom. So it'll bottom out, and there's the katana candle that we're talking about. Look at this. People are like, what's a katana? Look at all these candles. This is all one day, one day, one day. You see how that one is one big dog, right? The trader that I learned from, he was like, if you're walking on a street and you see dogs pass by and you're like, okay, wow, and then you see a big ass dog to the point where you turn to your wife and you're like, babe, look at this dog. That's a big dog. And then when there's this giant wick below, that means that was a falling katana that fell so deep and then it recovered right away, and it's sharp like this and it'll stab your hand. That's what a katana is. Anyways, my point is, this chart is probably going to continue falling and go down and make a low and then recover, and then probably do one of these and then recover and then crash again. Excuse me. Though once that first one happens, hopefully I catch this katana, because I wanna and I'm trying, but banana. I fucked that one up. Either you catch this one, either I catch this one, or when it recovers, this chart looks like it's making a curve. Now, it's not going to be obvious if it's turned fully until it does this and goes and makes a higher high. This high is lower than this high, which means I can still get a lot of Nier for my XRP. At that point, I will convert out from XRP. XLM, I'll sell 100%. XRP, I will continue. Why will I sell XLM 100%? It's a technical thing. I'm not saying you should do it. There's just something, I just have a reason to do it. And I ain't telling you. Why I gotta tell you everything? Why you always asking so many questions? Why, Sim, why you doing this? Why you doing that? Why you so nosy, bruh? Huh? Tell me now. Why you so nosy? Always up in my business. All right. Sui. Well, Sui has been getting cheaper and cheaper in XRP, and then this last little pump has been going up. But again, Sui is pretty cheap in XRP, historically speaking. Will it correct? Yes. This is what happens when XRP stays stable, Sui falls against it. I will then again try to figure out a way to sell my XRP and go into SUI. Now, when you go into an exchange, there might be, it's very rare, but there might be a market that says SUI/XRP, which means convert directly from XRP to SUI. More than likely, in that moment, I'll have to go to stable coins, and then from stable coins to SUI. But regardless, that is a trick to use. You can do the same thing on Bitcoin. You know, if I was sitting on Bitcoin, a lot of people do this on Bitcoin. Most markets have Bitcoin pairs, so you can be like, I want to buy Solana. Is Solana cheap in Bitcoin? Solana is expensive in Bitcoin still, because this is the most expensive that it's been. Let's just look at the weekly, bro. Come on now. This is the most expensive it's been in Bitcoin, and right now it's expensive in Bitcoin. But you see how it's falling, and it's going to get cheaper. This means Bitcoin drops less, Solana drops more, everything gets cheap. Discount, discount, discount. Other than that, Merry Cliffmas. All I can tell you is we've been glued to the portfolios the whole time. It's been good times. Your nervous system has enjoyed this process. If you took profits, fantastic. The next few months, if you are somebody who's a hodler, don't look at the portfolio. You're going to open it and it's just going to splash blood in your face. So like, then you got to wipe it, and then you look like, you're a fighter. If you're somebody who's sitting in cash, feel free to look at it. Otherwise, go enjoy life. Go do something else that's actually vastly more important, like maybe FarmSet. And if you are somebody who's watching on YouTube, or you are somebody who's not in our community, I am launching a project. It's called FarmSet. There's one round, the family and friends round. And if you want to access it, there's a Telegram link in the description below. I have fixed the Telegram link. Okay, I realized it was a long link. It was a long link the whole time. It was the wrong link the whole time, and I would do some shit like that. Now it's the right Telegram community link, my community link. If you want to join that, you can join that. And inside of that, if you scroll up, there's a couple FarmSet FNF family and friends groups. You can join those. Inside of there are videos for you to watch. There's going to be a new video that comes out. When that new video comes out, then there's going to be a link that you click, and you can swap and enter this pre-launch project. It's like a whole thing, In crypto, we love making things complicated. So we've made it perfectly complicated for you. You are very welcome. And again, hopefully you're not subscribing. If you're seeing this just randomly, you will never see me again. So, save me in your pocket. Or don't. Nobody gives a fuck. But anyways, thank you so much. Genuinely, it's been one hell of a year. It's been a pleasure going through this journey. We're just starting this rocket ship. So hopefully this next year is one for the ages. And the year after that is one hell of a bear market. And that is how we like it in this world. Enjoy the time with the family. Enjoy your abundance. Goodbye.